Okay, so this is the multifunction music piano. It has a lot of different functions, like it has music for a piano, it has lighting, it has learning toys and stuff. Lot of different functions, right? I'm going to unbox it and show you how it works. So let me first unbox it here. So when you open it, basically comes in this giant package with this main part, and this part is something that you will connect. Okay, so you can see obviously it's very colorful, right? So my daughter is really attracted to it immediately. Okay, next we are going to connect this first. Okay, so if you notice there are two parts here, right? This thing has two parts, right? This slightly curved bar and this straight bar, right? And there is like a blue and yellow pinwheel and blue and yellow circles, right? Now if you notice here in the diagram, you can clearly see that the curved one goes here and it goes below, and this one goes here. But before you put in, right, you have to be very careful, right? You need to put the yellow part in, because once you put in, removing this is very difficult, because you don't want baby to accidentally remove it and eat it or something, right? So once you put it, it's very difficult, right? So in this curved part, put the pinwheel in first, yellow pinwheel, and then put the blue pinwheel in. You can see the way I am doing it. And then all you need to do is connect it. Okay, Virti, yes, Virti, you will get to play with it, okay? Just a second, okay? Alright, so you can see now we have connected this pinwheel and it moves freely, right? Next, you are going to connect this here, right? But before you connect it, you obviously want to put the yellow in first. The yellow wheel, you always put the yellow wheel first and then the blue wheel, right? And then you are going to place it here. Okay. Kirti, 1 second, Miru. You need to apply a little bit of force, because it's like a clip. So the clip will go inside it once you apply the force. And once you put it, it's permanent, right? Now you can see the pinwheel and this blue wheel goes, and so it's true for this one, this yellow wheel and this wheel here, right? And this wheel is something that you need to really smart. Your baby needs to learn to move it here, because if your baby tries to move it like this, you can see it will block. But if your baby turns the pinwheel, so it's like a nice brain technique to develop their brains. Turn around, and this is where you're going to put the batteries in. So I'm going to put the batteries in next. Small Phillips head screwdriver, I'm going to use it to open it, right? So I'm opening it now. Fairly easy to remove, just a few turns. And now you can see it requires 3 AA batteries, right? So I'm going to put it next. Okay, so I'm going to put the 3 batteries in. You can see these are normal size batteries, so they go in easily. Okay, now I'm going to put this thing in here with the screw. 1 second, Virti. No, this is dangerous. Very small screw, right? My daughter is 15 months old, so I'm just being careful because there is a small screw. When I leave it here or there, she might eat it or something. So this is for kids 3 years and older. But as you can see, only doing the removing the screw or something. Apart from that, all the parts are big part. So I'm not really worried if my daughter is around this. You can see currently it's turned off, and now we are going to turn it on, and I'm going to show you. Now you can see it has a nice phone here, right? Now I have one more from a really branded company, real nice company. I have a phone like this. However, very good. However, the phone is basically separate, right? So we lost it. My daughter has kept it somewhere, and we have no idea where it is. So it's like really nice that they have tied this with this thread. I really like this. I really like this part. I wish other companies do the same thing. That is, put the thread here. That way you never lose the phone, right? Now let me turn it on. Okay, now we are going to play drums. Play drums, please. there are 3 levels. One is off, one is medium sound, one is really high sound, right? They also have a phone.
1, 2, 3, 6.
Okay. She really likes the phone. The other one, she lost the phone. With this one, I am not worried that she will lose the phone. Virti? Do it. Yeah, very good. Very good. Come on, do it. Yeah, very good. You turn this. Yeah, very good. Okay, so both of these things do make different noises, and this is obviously the piano, right? You can see this with this you can like almost like a mini piano. As I showed you, this one something that your kids can use to play, right? This is a trumpet. This is drums. This is a guitar. Okay, can you please play the piano? Yeah. Can you please press the trumpet? Very good. Can you please press the guitar? Virti, can you please press the drums? Can you please dial the phone? Very good. Can you please play with this flywheel? Yeah, very good. Can you say hello? Can you say hello with the phone? Yeah. Hello, who is this? It is a cute baby. Yeah. Right? So you can see all the nice features. So you can see she obviously likes the phone, and we have lost the one. So now we are going to use this one a lot. I'm very happy as I once again repeating the same thing that they have tied it with the thread. I wish all the companies. And you can see now she also picks up and puts the phone properly. Can you please press the drums? Yeah, very good. And you can see all the different musical instruments, right? A piano, a trumpet, a drum, a guitar, and then you obviously can change the music. And you also have this here that you can use to play. Virti, can you please play with? Let's turn this. Yeah, very good. And you can see you can also use this, to keep their minds occupied, right? Okay, and right, and you can obviously also lift it up. And if you notice, I have lifted it up like this, but the phone does not fall, right? You can show it any way you want, right? And you can see this has this nice this has this nice base legs, so it's not on the ground. So you're not really worried about getting scratched or anything. Let my daughter lift it, right? She's 15 months old. Virtika, can you please lift this? Can you please take? Can you please give it to mommy? Can you please give this to mommy? Yeah, and you can see she's lifting this and bringing it here. So you can see a 15 months old baby can lift it. You can see how lightweight and nice it is. So reason it was so lightweight and easy to pick up, so I'm not really worried about her getting hurt, right? Because imagine if she's picking it up and it falls on her leg or something, and it's really heavy, then she would get hurt. But it is so lightweight that it would just be like something small thing that fell down. Okay, now let me turn off the lights and show you. My daughter is clapping. So overall a great musical instrument. You can teach them like a mini piano. You can teach them different sounds. You can teach them to make phone calls. A lot of different options. This is the bell. Right? A lot of different musical options, right? Overall, a great learning and sensory tool for kids to, and when their brain is developing to use. And you can always turn it off if you know. So, yep, very happy with it. Definitely recommend it to everybody. Thank you.